Hello students, today we are going to read English language and literature for class 9 chapter 1, that is the fun they had. So in this chapter we are going to read about the future school, the schools which are going to happen in a future date. That is all about this chapter. Here we are having the lead protagonist as Margie. She is 11-year-old girl and she tries to discover what were the things in the past, about the schools in the past, about the things they used to do, the children's in the past years, what they used to do. It was all about this exploration in this chapter. So we shall read about the school which is set in the future, when books and schools as we know now will perhaps not exist, and how will the children study, and what are the mode of the communication we will read about in this chapter now. So Margie is sitting down in the night to write a diary entry, and it is dated 17th May 2157. So it is a very future date. Today we are in 2020, and we are speaking about a very future date, that is 2157. Margie is the lead protagonist here, and she tries to explore what were the things in the past, and she gives us a glimpses of what are the things at the present date of 2157. So Margie's friend Tommy, which is a neighbor of her, discovers a book which is a real book. A real book means they were not aware about a real books which were physical and had pages. The letters were imbibed in it, and there were all figures, diagrams, etc., which we at present day study. That is not in the future. The future is guided by the electronics, and they are reading with tablets, notebooks, and PCs, which is in electronics format. They found that a book was a terribly awful thing. Why it is awful? Because they find that the books are crinky, these are old, dusty, and the pages gets yellow. So they find it quite a bit of disappointing, whereas the electronic format of book are renovated very early, and they get new episodes, or they get new editions of these books in the electronic formats itself, and which is not at all boring, and they slide on the pages and they get new stuff. But here in the book, which they used to read in the earlier times, Margie's grandfather's grandfather told that during their school days, when he was a young boy, Margie's grandfather's grandfather, that means very early time, uh, that point of time they used to read physical books, but in Margie's time they are equipped with electronic format of books, which is in tablets, which they say. And when Tommy discovers the book, Margie's inquiry it very enthusiastically, what is the book all about? Tommy says that it is a book about school. So Margie finds it very much boring, that what is there in the school. So I find school very disappointing, I find school very boring. So they are not speaking about the school which we are studying at a present date. The school at that point of time was adjacent to their bedroom, and it was a mechanical teacher which was teaching to them. It was rather a robot or mechanical instructor. All the lessons were fed to the computer first, and it used to deliver lessons in electronics format. And there was no emotions, there was no bonding between the student and teacher. There was not a group of students even who used to sit together and take the lessons. Every student was taking individual lessons from their respective teacher, which was located inside their house itself. So when Tommy says that they were in the past, the teachers who were there, they were human beings and they used to teach. So Margie finds it very difficult to understand that how could teachers be human beings. But Tommy explains that in fact teachers are also learned persons, and his father is also as knowledgeable as his teacher, and the understanding continues. So after a point of time, Margie is called by her mother so that the teacher can take up lessons. The school time was done, and he had to sit before the computer, and she had to take the lessons. And Margie's mother believed that children should be taking proper classes, and they should be equipped to take classes at regular intervals so that they won't be disturbed. Even though the computer or the mechanical teacher was located in their house itself, yet it was the duty or responsibility of the parents to take care of the need of the child and make them ensure that they sit before the computer and take up regular lessons. Margie was particularly not doing well in the geography sector. She was repeatedly making failures. She was not coping up with the studies, and this was very disappointing. After a point of time, after the marks deteriorated of Margie's mother took her to the county inspector. The county inspector was actually the engineer who was responsible to design this kind of computers, or the mechanical teacher. The county inspector examined the computer and found out that there was some extra gearing up in the geography section. So that is why Margie was repeatedly failing, and it was extra. Margie was 11-year-old girl, and the device was upgraded to a next higher level. So he geared down a little bit slower so that Margie would be adjusted to the current scenario. And Margie was quite disappointed by this, because she hoped that the teacher would be taken away for some point of time, at least a month. It would be taken away so that she would get some leisure time. But it was not the case, because the county inspector immediately geared up and made the adjustment accordingly, so which it was not able to defunct for a long point of time, and immediately it was repaired and it was geared up to the original level. Margie was called by the mother to listen to the geography sector and pay attention to the classes. But Margie was no more interested in her classes. She began to think about the older days, the fun they had, about the kids who used to run to the school. They used to bash together, they used to take their lessons together, do their homework sitting together, again walk back down the school, and it was a fun time and enjoying themselves. But no more in 2157. The schools were so more means of enjoyment or amusement. It was becoming mechanical, and the teachers were supposed to be mechanical teachers. So these mechanical teachers were no more interested in the emotional bonding of students, and this was a time when the schools were no more being appearing to be interesting. So this is the lesson all about the first lesson, that is the fun they had. Thank you.